Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my channel, and we are going to hike today. We came to hike to Sentinel Pass, and the parking lot was full, so we cannot go through the Moran Lake. We were reached like 6:30 a.m. We thought that is very early in the morning, but it's not early because lots of people come very early. Because they have a limited parking spot, so we changed the plan. So we are coming to right now. We are in the parking lot of Lake O'Hara. Lake O'Hara is like 10 kilometer long. So so 20 kilometer round trip is gonna be whole day. So this is gonna be first time, and hopefully there is no rain. Is sign of lots of cloudy, and is a sign of already rain in the earlier morning. So this is the starting point of the Lake O'Hara, and we find out there is a bus going, but you have to be reservation first. 2 times a day going, 8:30 and 10:30, something like that, right? And they sold out the ticket. Wow, so beautiful. We are taking a break to the Lake O'Hara campground, and we are taking a break right now. And it's cloudy. The background is camping. Tour of the campground, and see, this is the spot of the camp. So it's nice, pretty nice. Yeah, if you want to backcountry camping, then you must book online, and you can stay here overnight. It's pretty nice and well maintained. Let's go back. This is how it looks like, backcountry camping. No electricity. This is the washroom. So make sure you went this one. This is the way to the top of the plateau.
창에 지나 아니나 대기리야 대기 시들라가 시들로 신도님 무슨 어디 나이 하지나 시디
시기 랜드스케이프스는 어머니 해 엉엄네 시준 나이 해 나이도 시내는 포스타 보이는 게 이상가 까르드나 농다 상상 무슨 이상 시주 부대 글레시아를 알아야 시대 라스 벨리기 타임이네 사이즈는 못 보라 이 시용에 혹시 할라마디오 빠지를 없는지 상호의 팔이네 뜻이야 시주 नहीं वो टिका पे Wow, nungsa tholok pa si Madi. So this is the bus. It was very long. There was lots of place to see. So one day is not enough. I recommend to go by the bus. So on the trail you don't have nothing to see. Just only the tree and some small waterfall and river. And once you reach the Lake O'Hara, there is a lot of places need to see. So one day is not enough. At least 2-3 days to explore the wildlife over there. It was beautiful and worth it. So see you soon on my next video. Have a good day.